Hey there, science fans! Welcome to another exciting journey into the world of nature and food. Have you ever thought about where your food comes from? I mean, really thought about it? It's not just magically appearing in the fridge, you know. There's a whole process behind it. Nope. A lot of it starts with tiny little creatures with big jobs, bees. These little insects are more important than you might think. These buzzing buddies are super important for bringing yummy food to our tables. Let's find out how. Bees are nature's little workers, tirelessly flying from flower to flower. Did you know that bees help make over 1/3 of the food we eat? That's right, 1/3. Imagine your plate without their hard work. That's a lot of yummy stuff. From juicy apples to crunchy almonds and even delicious berries and melons, bees are hard at work making sure we have delicious food. They collect nectar and pollen, which helps plants grow and produce the fruits and vegetables we love. But how do they do it? How do these tiny creatures have such a big impact on our food supply? Well, they have a secret weapon: pollination. When bees land on flowers to collect nectar, they transfer pollen from one flower to another. This process helps plants reproduce and grow. Without bees, many of our favorite foods would disappear. So next time you enjoy a sweet apple or a handful of nuts, remember to thank the busy bees. Pollination is like a magic trick, but instead of a magician, it's all thanks to our buzzing friends. Bees, butterflies, and even birds play a crucial role in this enchanting process. These tiny creatures are nature's unsung heroes, working tirelessly to ensure that plants can reproduce and thrive. Without them, our world would be a much less colorful and fruitful place. Imagine bees as tiny delivery trucks, carrying special packages called pollen from flower to flower. Each time a bee visits a flower, it picks up pollen on its body and transfers it to the next flower it visits. This process is essential for the plant's reproduction, allowing them to produce seeds and fruits. It's like a natural delivery service that ensures the survival of countless plant species. This pollen helps plants make seeds and fruits, which is how we get all those yummy things to eat. From apples and oranges to tomatoes and cucumbers, many of the fruits and vegetables we enjoy every day are the result of successful pollination. Without it, our diets would be much less diverse and nutritious. So the next time you bite into a juicy piece of fruit, remember to thank the pollinators. Think about it this way. Pollen is like a secret ingredient that flowers need to make more plants and yummy treats. Just like a chef needs the right ingredients to create a delicious dish, flowers need pollen to produce seeds and fruits. This secret ingredient is carried by our hard-working pollinators, ensuring that plants can continue to grow and provide us with food. Bees fly from flower to flower, collecting pollen on their furry little bodies. As they move from one bloom to the next, they inadvertently transfer pollen, helping plants to fertilize and produce seeds. This process is not only vital for the plants, but also for the bees, as they rely on the nectar from flowers for their own nourishment. As they buzz along, some of that pollen rubs off on other flowers, and voila, pollination happens. This seemingly simple act has a profound impact on our ecosystem, supporting biodiversity and the health of our environment. So, let's celebrate our pollinators and the incredible work they do every day. Without them, our world would be a much less vibrant and delicious place. You might be surprised to learn that bees are some of the pickiest eaters around. They absolutely love to munch on the sweet nectar and pollen inside flowers. As they fly from flower to flower, collecting their food, they're also spreading that important pollen around. Now think about all the delicious fruits and veggies you love. Apples, strawberries, blueberries, cucumbers, and even chocolate. Bees help make them all possible. Without bees buzzing around and doing their thing, our plates would be a lot less colorful and tasty. Section 4. Why we need our buzzing buddies. Bees aren't just important for the food we eat, they're crucial for the entire planet. Remember how they help plants reproduce? Well, those plants provide food and shelter to other animals, creating a chain reaction that keeps our ecosystem in balance. Think of it like a domino effect. Bees help plants grow, plants feed animals, and everyone benefits. They're like tiny superheroes, working tirelessly to keep our world beautiful and full of life. Section 5. Danger! Bees in trouble. Unfortunately, our buzzing buddies are facing some big problems. Just like superheroes need our help, so do bees. Their homes are disappearing because of pollution and construction. Harmful pesticides are making them sick, and climate change is making it harder for them to find food. We need to protect our buzzing buddies. They need our help to keep doing their important work. If we don't, we could end up with fewer flowers, fewer plants, and even less food on our tables. And nobody wants that. Section 6. Be a bee hero. The good news is that there are lots of things we can do to help bees. Bees are essential for pollinating many of the crops we rely on for food. Without them, our food supply would be in serious trouble. But don't worry, you can make a big difference right in your own backyard. It's like becoming a superhero, but instead of wearing a cape, you'll be helping save the planet. Imagine putting on your gardening gloves and knowing that every flower you plant is a lifeline for a bee. It's a small action with a huge impact. First, we can plant lots of flowers. Bees are attracted to a variety of flowers, especially those that are rich in nectar and pollen. By planting a diverse range of flowers, you can create a vibrant and bee-friendly garden. Bees love bright, colorful flowers, so planting a bee garden is a great way to give them a tasty treat and a safe place to hang out. Think of it as creating a little paradise for our buzzing friends. Flowers like sunflowers, lavender, and daisies are particularly loved by bees. We can also ditch those harmful pesticides and use natural alternatives instead. Pesticides can be very harmful to bees, affecting their ability to navigate and find food. By using natural pest control methods, like introducing beneficial insects or using homemade sprays, we can protect our plants without harming bees. And don't forget to tell your friends and family about the importance of bees. Sharing knowledge is a powerful tool. When more people understand how crucial bees are to our ecosystem, they can take steps to help too. You can even start a bee club at school or in your community to spread the word. The more people who know about the challenges bees face, the more we can do to help them. Together, we can create a network of bee heroes, each doing their part to ensure these vital pollinators thrive. So, grab your gardening tools, rally your friends, and let's make the world a better place for bees. Section 7. Keep on buzzing. Bees are amazing creatures that play a vital role in our world. They're like tiny superheroes working tirelessly to keep our planet healthy and full of delicious food. By understanding the importance of bees and taking action to protect them, we can all do our part to keep our world buzzing. Remember, even small actions can make a big difference. So let's all be bee heroes and work together to ensure a brighter future for bees and a healthier planet for everyone. Keep on buzzing. Keep on.